This video will show you how to create a master class in Unified Classrooms. First, you need to choose quick links from the dashboard. So then you're going to choose Learning My Classes. Then go to Create a New Class and create a name for your class. I've already made a master class for science, so this will be my master class for the health classes that I teach. I'm going to call it Grade 4 Health Master Class. Okay. Make sure that you have the right organization. Mine seems to always default to summer school. I'm going to choose my school. You can type in any type of summary, like, I don't know, something from your syllabus. You can allow the students to give it nicknames, or you could take that away. I don't care what my kids call it. Then click Finish. Master class should show up. That's where it should go. But if it does not, go to Learning My Classes again. You're going to notice that it's not available there because it's in your inactive section. And scroll down, and there it is, my Grade 4 Master Class. I'm going to click on it, and there I can see that it's Grade 4 Health Master Class. I'm going to click Manage Class, Edit Roster, and now this is where you need to pay attention. So you're going to create sections. Click Create a Section, okay, and you can actually edit the name of these sections because it will do A, B, C, and D. I'm going to know that I want my first class to be my homeroom, and I'm going to rename it. Now I need to import students, and you need to search for your classes. So I usually filter, I put in health, only my classes. When I look, I see that there is a 4-2-13, which is my homeroom, but it has 0 students. So I'm going to scroll down, and here I found another health 4 for 213. This one has 25 students. That is my homeroom. I'm going to click import. The top one says to link health classes, and that will update the roster as students add or drop, like if you get new kids added or if kids transfer out. So I always choose that one, and then I clicked import. Here I can double check. So if I scroll down, I can see that these students are indeed the students from 4-2-13. And now I'm going to manage this section again. My section B, I'm going to edit to my second period class. Again, you can call this by the homeroom, or you can call it by period, like period 3. For me, I'm going to call it 4-2-16. I'm going to search in health, only my classes. And the same thing, I'm going to search through. I see 4-2-16. That is my class that I'm looking for. It does have 24 students. Now I'm going to click import. I'm going to choose the same one, that top option. I will see that these are indeed my students. Import. And there it is. There they are. Okay, so you will keep doing this same steps, repeat. You need to make the class active though, in order for it to be something that you can use and the students can see. So you're going to click on Make Active. You can choose forever or choose an until date. I'm going to choose forever. I only want people in my class roster to see this class. Click Save. And that's really it for that.